Okay, so this story starts in Croatia. Yeah, I know sounds dreamy, right? I've been planning this solo trip for months. Just me, my backpack, and a little journal filled with Pinterest quotes about finding yourself. You know the vibe. I landed in Split, high on freedom and sunscreen, with zero plans besides chasing sunsets and maybe eating my body weight in seafood. First few days? Pure magic. Hiking cliffs, meeting other travelers, sipping wine on pebble beaches like I was in a travel ad. It felt like everything I hoped solo travel would be. But then, yeah, I was walking through this cute little old town alley, just taking photos, when I tripped over the world's most invisible cobblestone. I didn't just stumble, I full-on face planted. My ankle? Immediate pain. My phone? Cracked. My pride? Obliterated. A local helped me up, which was sweet. But the moment I tried to walk, I knew something was wrong. Cue me hobbling back to my hostel, trying not to cry in front of people making avocado toast. I couldn't even make it to the shared bathroom without wincing. And that's when the panic set in. I'm in a country where I barely speak the language. I don't know how to find a doctor, let alone afford one. What if it's broken? What if I need x-rays or meds or, God forbid, have to fly home early? I sat on my bunk, holding back tears, thinking, why didn't I just stay home and binge Netflix like a normal person? But here's the twist. 2 weeks before my trip, my older sister, bless her always anxious soul, basically forced me to get travel insurance. I remember rolling my eyes on that call. Like, okay, Mom, 2.0, sure. But I did it. I Googled around and ended up getting a plan through Orust Insure. It wasn't expensive, just a few bucks a day. Didn't think I'd ever actually use it. Fast forward back to me and my busted ankle. I opened the app, thankfully still working on my shattered phone, and contacted their support. Within hours, they connected me with a local clinic, helped with translation stuff, and even arranged a cab. The doctor was kind, the x-ray was quick, and miracle of miracles, it was just a bad sprain. No fracture, no huge fell, no canceled trip. And I still made it to that boat tour 2 days later, ankle brace and all. But honestly, that whole experience changed how I see solo travel. Not in a never again way. More like, this is amazing, but it's not invincible. When you're traveling alone, especially as a woman, you're your own everything. Navigator, bodyguard, nurse. No one's watching your back unless you plan for it. And yeah, it's empowering. But it can also be really isolating when stuff goes sideways. There's this moment when you're sick or scared or stuck, and suddenly all that independent woman energy just flickers. That's why I tell every friend now, especially my fellow solo ladies, get insurance. Like, I know it's not sexy. It's not the thing you post on Instagram with your passport and matcha latte. But it's peace of mind in your pocket. And when you're limping through a foreign pharmacy with Google Translate open, trust me, that's priceless. So if you're planning a solo trip, whether it's Thailand, Portugal, or just a quick hop somewhere new, just cover yourself. Seriously, I use Orust, Insure Now for every trip. You can find them on Google, or I'll drop the link below if I remember. They've just been solid. No spammy vibes, no weird fine print. It's become one of those quiet little hacks that makes travel feel way less risky. Anyway, that's my story. I still love traveling alone. Probably more now than ever, because I know I can handle the bumps. Even the ones that show up in medieval alleyways. Take care of yourself out there. And wear good shoes. That cobblestone's got a vendetta.